Hello students, in this class you can study the next method of preparation of alcohols. In the last class we studied the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. One method is acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Second method is hydroboration oxidation reaction. Then the second method of preparation of alcohols is from carbonyl compounds. That carbonyl compounds may be either aldehydes and ketones or maybe carboxylic acids. In the next chapter you can study these carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones, and another one is the carboxylic acids. First you consider for the carbonyl compounds, first one is from aldehydes and ketones. The method name is by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. By the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Already we know the reduction definition. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Reducing agents used are that may be either LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, or sodium borohydride, NaBH4, sodium borohydride, or maybe sodium in ethyl alcohol. By using these one, you have to add the hydrogen, nascent hydrogen, or catalytic hydrogenation. You can pass the reaction, you can pass the hydrogen by in the presence of catalyst. Catalytic hydrogenation means hydrogen H2 in the presence of either nickel catalyst, platinum, or palladium. This is called hydrogenation, catalytic hydrogenation. If you use LiAlH4, NaBH4, then it is called reduction. Then you have to consider the hydrogen atom. If you use nickel, platinum, or palladium, then you can pass the H2 molecule. Then that reaction is called catalytic hydrogenation. These aldehydes and ketones reduced to alcohols either by reduction or by catalytic hydrogenation. You already know the general formula for aldehyde. Aldehyde general formula is RCH double bond O, RCHO, aldehydes. Aldehydes on catalytic hydrogenation H2. If you use H2, then on aromar you have to mention either nickel or platinum or palladium, anyone. If you use hydrogen, if you pass the hydrogen gas, then you have to mention either nickel, platinum, or palladium. This is called catalytic hydrogenation. Aldehyde, this RCHO means an aldehyde. Aldehydes on catalytic hydrogenation in the presence of nickel, platinum, or palladium. Then each hydrogen atom get added across the double bond, converted into R. One hydrogen get added, then CH converted into CH2. To this across the double bond, one more to this oxygen, one more hydrogen get added, hence double bond converted into single bond, O converted into OH, or CH2OH. This is called primary alcohol. That is aldehydes on catalytic hydrogenation. Instead of catalytic hydrogenation, you can use RC double bond OH. Reduction means addition of hydrogen in the presence of either LiAlH4. LiAlH4 means lithium aluminum hydride, or NaBH4, any reducing agent. Use either LiAlH4 or NaBH4. You consider two hydrogens. Across this double bond, hydrogens get added, form RCH2OH. This is called primary alcohol. That is, aldehydes on catalytic hydrogenation or reduction. A catalytic hydrogenation by using nickel, platinum or palladium. Reduction by using the lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Primary alcohols are formed. For example, you consider R by CH3. R replaced by the CH3. CH3, CH double bond O. This is commonly called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. In the introduction already I mentioned acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on reduction H. If I using H nascent hydrogen, then you mention either LiAlH4 or NaBH4. If you use H2, then on arrow mark you have to mention either nickel, platinum or palladium. 2H. Then CH3CHO converted into CH3CH2OH. That is, across this double bond hydrogens get added, form CH3CH2OH. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Acetaldehyde on catalytic hydrogenation, ethyl alcohol is formed. This is about the aldehydes. Instead of aldehyde, you can consider ketone. Or ketone formula is RC double bond OR. RC double bond OR. Ketones. Ketones same, either hydrogenation or reduction. Any one. If you use hydrogenation. If we are using hydrogenation means that catalyst used, hydrogenating agent used is either nickel, platinum or palladium. Same. Across the double bond, hydrogen get added, form RCH, C double bond O. To this C double bond O, H and O converted into, that double bond converted into single bond, O get converted into OH, RCHOH R. You observe the structure. This is considered as a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. You take example. For example, CH3, CO, CH3. This is called commonly called acetone molecule. Acetone on hydrogenation, H2. Instead of hydrogenation, you can take reduction also. Anyone. If you use H2, you have to mention the nickel, platinum or palladium. If you use H, then you mention that LiAlH4 or NaBH4. Same. This CO converted into, that is CH3 retains. CO, that is CH. O converted into OH. Double bond get converted into single bond. CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is called as an isopropyl alcohol. This is an iso. On either side of the CH3 present. This is called isopropyl alcohol. This is the preparation of the alcohols. That is, aldehydes on catalytic hydrogenation, primary alcohols are formed. Ketones on hydrogenation, secondary alcohols are formed. Next carbonyl compound is that is second one is from carboxylic acids. Last carbonyl compound is aldehyde and ketone. Next one is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid general formula is RC double bond OH. Correct? RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids on reduction. In the presence of only LiAlH4. This is most important for 1 mark. To reduce carboxylic acids to alcohol, only LiAlH4 is used. No other reducing agent converts carboxylic acids to alcohol. This is important for the 1 mark. Name the reducing agent used for the reduction of carboxylic acid to alcohol. You have to use LiAlH4, or they are given reactant carboxylic acid and product as alcohol. In RO mark, they can ask the question mark. What is the reagent used? Like that, they can ask this question. Then again, across this C double bond O, hydrogens get added. We require 2 hydrogens. Then R C or CH. Then again here bond cleavage takes place. Bond cleavage takes place that results in the formation of water also. Here removal of the water takes place. Hence 2 hydrogens get added RCH2. This O converted into OH. RCH2OH and water get removed. Water molecule get removed. Then here one hydrogen, this one hydrogen. This O converted into OH. Then CH. Here removal of the bond cleavage takes place. Again this hydrogen. This part removed as water. Then this converted into RCH to OH. RCH to OH means an primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Actually, they are not mentioned this byproduct. Just they consider RCOOH, LiAlH4 converted into RCH to OH. No need of writing this water molecule. This is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid here is RCOOH. Just RCOOH. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids on reduction. Actually, 4 hydrogens required. Just you consider mention L on arrow mark LiAlH4. If you write LiAlH4, here hydrogen atoms are understood. Then this carboxylic acid reduced to primary alcohol RCOOH converted into RCH2OH, forming the primary alcohol. No need of writing the water molecule. In organic reactions, they are not considered the balanced equations. Hence, we are skip that byproduct is the primary alcohol. Example, R is taken as an CH3, CH3COOH. This is called acetic acid. Acetic acid. Acetic acid on reduction by using LiAlH4. You can guess the product, that is in the place of R we are using the CH3. Hence CH3 CH2OH. What is the name of this product? The name of the product here is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. The primary alcohol formed is ethyl alcohol. That is acetic acid on reduction by LiAlH4, ethyl alcohol is formed. That is, to reduce carboxylic acid into alcohol, reducing agent used is the LiAlH4. No other reducing agent will reduce as the carboxylic group. This use of this LiAlH4 is, the disadvantage is it is an expensive, LiAlH4 is an expensive reagent. Hence, to avoid the use of LiAlH4, first carboxylic acid or COOH, carboxylic acid treated with alcohol ROH, they first converted into ester or COOR. Here OH from this carboxylic group OH and this from the alcohol H removal takes place. That is removal of the water get removed takes place. Then forms RCOOR. This is called ester. This LiAlH4 is an expensive reagent. Hence, carboxylic acid was converted into esters by treating the carboxylic acid with alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. This reaction commonly we can call esterification. The properties of alcohols we are studying, and in the properties of carboxylic acid again we are using this reaction. There we can use the name as esterification. Here no need of writing that esterification. Just for simply we are using RCOOH plus ROH in the presence of acid forms RCOO or is an ester. The formed ester, to the formed ester pass the hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is passed. If you are using hydrogen means, then what is the catalyst used? To if you pass that hydrogen in the presence of either nickel, platinum or palladium. These esters easily converted into the alcohols. That is, alcohol, one alcohol is RCH2OH, mixture of the products RCH2OH. Here cleavage takes place, here bond cleavage from this part RCH2OH, then from that part RO part, again we get ROH, mixture of the alcohol, This is about the preparation of alcohol from the carboxylic acids and esters. Then next method, that is third method, is from Grignard reagents. In haloalkanes chapter, we have used the word Grignard reagent. Alkyl halide reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Grignard reagent formula is RMgX. This is the Grignard reagent. They can ask for 1 mark. Write the general formula for the Grignard reagent. It is RMgX. By using this Grignard reagent, we can prepare the alcohols. For that one, we are using carbonyl group. That carbonyl here may be either aldehyde or maybe keto. Generally, we are using C double bond O. This is the carbonyl group. In this carbonyl group, oxygen is more electronegative. Use delta minus, carbon less electronegative, delta plus. Then Grignard reagent RMgX. In that RMgX, carbon, here R group is more electronegative, hence use the delta minus. MgX carrying the delta plus. Mg carrying the delta plus. Then if you know the charges, easily you can write the products. Due to the presence of this negative charge, this R get added to carbon and MgX part added to the oxygen. Then the product is C, here double bonds remain same. To this carbon R get added, R from the Grignard reagent, R added to the carbon. Then this double bond converted into single bond. To this O, from the Grignard reagent, MgX get added, OMgX. This is the addition compound. This addition compound on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, H2OH plus. Or you can, instead of writing H2OH plus, you can take H3O plus. Like this also they are using H3O plus. H3O plus means acid hydrolysis. Here bond cleavage takes place. To this, from the water, hydrogen added to this O and OH added to this part. The product formed is this C remains same, here R, then O, to the O H get added, okay. This is the alcohol and other one is MgX OH. This is the product, this is an alcohol. This is the general reaction, that is this is the carbonyl compound, carbonyl group. To this carbonyl group, Grignard, RMgX means the Grignard reagent, an addition product. You have to know the mechanism by using this positive and negative. This is the addition product on acid hydrolysis. Again here bond cleavage. From the water, H part added to this oxygen, OH part added to MgX. Then you get the alcohol. Then you consider one by one. In the carbonyl compound, to this valencies, one of the valence is taken as hydrogen. That is, you take aldehyde. Aldehyde formula RCH double bond O. This is the aldehyde. Aldehyde treated with Grignard reagent or MgX. Grignard reagent. Same. This is carbon R carrying delta minus, Mg carrying delta plus. In RCHO, oxygen carrying delta minus, due to more electronegative nature, carbon gets the delta plus. R added to carbon, MgX added to O. Then addition product is R, C, R. I am using H here, H. Then to the O, that O here I am writing this side, O, MgX. This is the addition compound. RCHRO MgX. This on acid hydrolysis, H3O plus, H3O plus. Here bond cleavage takes place, here HOH. Then product formed is RCH ROH plus MgXOH. This is the compound. This is commonly considered as an secondary alcohol, correct? Secondary alcohol. Aldehydes treated with Grignard reagent forms the secondary alcohol. In the aldehydes, if you use formaldehyde formula is H. R replaced by the H, CH double bond O. Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. I am avoiding that addition compound, just to practice that one. Aldehyde, in the place of R, I am using H only. Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Then the product formed is, that is HCHROH, correct? The one of the R is H, hydrogen. In the aldehyde, one of the R is H. This R is from the Grignard reagent. This is the compound. That is, it is taken as RCH2OH. RCH2OH means an primary alcohol. That is, from the aldehydes, we get the secondary alcohols. When you get the secondary alcohols means aldehydes other than formaldehyde form secondary alcohol. If you take formaldehyde treated with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis, you get only primary alcohol. For 1 mark, they can ask this question. When formaldehyde treated with methyl magnesium iodide, methyl means here R is CH3, methyl magnesium iodide, CH3MgI, methyl magnesium iodide. Formaldehyde treated with methyl magnesium iodide followed by acid hydrolysis. Name the alcohol formed. Can you guess the product name? To guess that product, in the Grignard general formula, R replaced by the CH3. Then you replace this R by CH3. Then what is the name of that alcohol? RCH3, R replaced by the CH3 means that is CH3, CH2OH. CH3, CH2OH means it is called ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, correct. The product formed when formaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium iodide followed by acid hydrolysis is ethyl alcohol. You remember, just aldehydes reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Secondary alcohols are formed. Formaldehyde, among the aldehydes, if you use formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Primary alcohol is formed. Then, instead of aldehyde, if you take the ketone formula is RCOR, correct? RCOR. For our convenience, we are considering the ketone structure like this. RCOR. Ketone reacts with Grignard reagents or MgX. Again, you write the polarities. Carbon as delta plus, oxygen as delta minus. In the Grignard reagent, R as delta minus, Mg as delta plus. Then write the addition product. Can you guess the addition product? That is RCR. These remain same. To the carbon, this R get added. To the carbon, R get added. You get one more R group, R. Then to the O, MgX get added. This is the addition compound. This addition compound on acid hydrolysis, H3O plus. Can you guess the product form? This is the bond cleavage. Here H get added. To this part, OH get added. Then what is the product form? That is RCR. For our convenience, we are considering the 3 R groups in this way. OH plus MgXOH. Can you guess the name of this product? Product formed. The name of this product is, it is a tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. That is, ketones reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Tertiary alcohols are formed. We can prepare both primary alcohol, secondary alcohol as well as tertiary alcohol. When will you get the primary alcohol? Means formaldehyde. Among the aldehydes, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Primary alcohol is formed. Aldehydes other than formaldehyde, any aldehyde other than formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Secondary alcohol is formed. Then ketones reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Tertiary alcohol is formed. This is very, very important. Again, you can study in the carbonyl compounds also. Next class is about the preparation of the alcohols. In next class, you can study the properties of alcohol. You have to practice all the reactions. If you repeatedly practice, then only you can understand these organic reactions. Without seeing, that is without practicing, just you observe the reaction, you will not get the organic reaction. Just you have to practice the reactions. Okay, next class you can study about the properties.